So 1 by cot u into cosec x square into cot x square. Then see, wherever there is u, I have to replace all the values now. I cannot just leave it like that. Here also, again, u has come. What you are going to do? Minus 1 by square.
Yes, sir. But then how is there that like I didn't understand that part only. Like, why is there cot like root cot u there? Wasn't it root v?
Root v. No, what is v then, my dear?
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, I get it. And then that -1, sir, why did we make it minus?
Where? Here?
That
minus is here, right?
Yeah, okay.
It is minus, right?
Okay.
So
-1.
Yeah. So there is minus, right? So therefore, what will happen here? Cot u into
Cot u x square, right?
Yeah. So here we have cos. This will become cos x square into cosec x square cot x square into 2x. Understood now? This is the
Yes.
Is that clear?
So that's the answer done?
Yeah, that's it. Still, if you have any doubt, ask me.
No, I understood. Like the only part, like I understood the entire question. The only part I didn't understand was why like the minus went to the other side.
Minus is here, no? This minus has come here.
Yeah, but like
because this is
why?
multiplication, no? It's all in multiplication, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So okay, I get it. Okay, let me just note it down.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, shall we go to the next question?
Yes.
No. Cos root x. Okay, we'll do the next question. Will you try that cot root x question with your own?
Yeah, sure.
Eighth question, right? Y is equal to cos cos root x. Try this question.
Good. Sir, so here, we can take u as a root x and v as cos u, right?
Vs.
Cos u, right?
Yeah, you can take u. This is u.
Yeah, so we can take as cos u, right?
Yeah, see here we have to take u is equal to root x, and y
Yeah,
will
yeah.
become cos v, cos y, cos u.
Cos u, yeah, yeah. And then after that, you can
Hmm.
write it as u by du by
du by
dx.
dx will become 1 by 2 root x.
Yeah.
And dy by du will become cos x is minus sin.
Yes. Okay, yeah, got it.
Then dy by dx will become what? dy by du. Sorry, dy by du into du
dv
by
by
dx.
d.
So minus sin u. Du by dx is 1 by
Yeah, okay, I got it. And
then try with your own and cross check. Okay. Don't cancel this with this one. Okay. Students cancel this with this. This is not possible. This is the angle.
yeah,
This
so
is the
you just leave
function.
it, right?
Okay. Do not cancel out. Okay.
Yeah, you just leave it, right?
Leave it. Just.
Okay, wait, let me try finishing it by myself. Sir, that's the answer.
That's a final answer.
Okay, we don't differentiate the root x.
We don't differentiate.
Okay, we already did. We already did. Never mind. Okay, yeah. Okay. Yeah, sir. Done.
Done. So we have to do one more type of question, that is LHD and RHD, left hand derivative and right hand derivative. Just finish off this, then I will explain that out.
Yes, sir. I did.
Okay. Okay. Now we have left hand derivative and right hand derivative. Like we have LHA, L and RHA, right? The same way we have.
Yes.
Okay. LHD and RHD. So it is equal to what? That I will explain you it. LHD and RHD. It's like this. Okay, suppose if x, we want to find out x is differentiable at a plus, example. So what we do is f of x, sorry, a minus f of x minus f of a by x minus a. Similarly, we have RHD, which is equal to limit x tends to a plus f of x minus f of a divided by x minus a. Like that we have to do. If both are equal, then that is differentiable. The function is differentiable. Is that clear? If both are equal, then the function is.
So limit x tends to a minus. Okay. Wait, sir, but then don't we change that f of x minus f of a into plus?
Where here? Here?
Yeah, don't we change that
No,
all to
functioning
plus?
there, but this is actually the limit, right? The formula is this one.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, so that's the formula, yeah?
Yeah, that's a formula.
So
Now,
formula for both are the same?
the same, but only the limit is changing, right? The same thing happens in
Yeah.
LHL and RHL, right? Left hand derivative and right, left hand limit and
Right.
right. Okay.
Right, okay.
Okay. Please write that, then we will.
Yeah, okay, let me write that.
No. So we have f of x is equal to mod of x minus 1. So what will happen now? Left hand, suppose here, what we write x is equal to, at x is equal to 1, he said. At x is equal to 1. So when x is less than 1, suppose we write here f of x is equal to what? Minus x minus 1 when x is less than 1. Okay, at x is equal to x is less than 1. F of x is equal to what? X minus 1 at x is greater than or equal to 1. Understood? Greater than or equal to. Now we have LHD. LHD is equal to what?
So why greater? Okay, no.
It's a mod function, right? Now LHD extends to 1 minus f of x. What is f of x? So f of x minus f of a by x minus a. So we write the function as it is first. F of x minus f of a divided by x minus a. So this will become what? Limit x tends to 1 minus. What is f of x? F of x is what? Minus x minus 1 minus. What is f of a? If you substitute 1 over there, how much it will become?
Where?
If you substitute 1 here, 1 minus 1 will become
0.
Yeah. 0 by how much it is? X minus a. X minus 1 minus 1. Yeah.
Yeah, so that will be 0 as well, though, right?
That won't be 0 because it is minus 1 right here.
Okay, then will it be 1?
No.
Wait. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Let me
Yeah.
do this one.
So that's it?
Oh. Yeah, wait, one second.
So after this, can you cancel out both of the minus x minus 1?
No, I'm checking the other method also. 1 second.
Okay.
There's one more method for doing this derivative. Because you see why we are going like that, because in examination it should click in the mind. It's not like it only remains in that notebook. Okay, it should be as easy as to do in the examination also.
Yeah.
Like what happens, we do difficult methods and then it won't work out in the examination. That should not happen.
Yes. So differentiability carries more marks than continuity, right?
Application of derivatives. Yeah, that's the next chapter of this. The next
Wait,
chapter.
so how much does continuity and differentiability carry?
Let me see, because it is not given like chapter wise. They haven't given like chapter wise. They have given for the whole thing.
Okay.
Understood.
I think it's gonna be divided though.
Yeah, internally. If they do like that, then students won't study, right? They will start studying only selectively. You got it? Hmm. So it is first we'll substitute the function over there. Okay, instead of doing this, here f of we'll substitute it. It is equal to what? Limit h tends to 0. F of we'll write f of 1 here. F of x minus 1. Is it not? Because 1 is the value over there. So what will happen now?
Yeah.
We will substitute f of x means what? F of x 1 minus h minus f of 1 divided by, in the place of x, 1 minus h minus 1.
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay.
Then what will happen? This and this will go away. Okay. Those two things will go away. So what we are left with? We are left with is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 1 minus h. Wherever there is x, you are going to write this. For which function? For this function. For this function. Greater than, less than, right? For this function. Wherever there is x. So that is equal to minus of 1 minus h minus 1 minus f of 1. What is f of 1? When we substitute 1 here, what it will be now? 1 minus 1 will become 0. Minus 1 minus 1 will become 0, right?
Yeah.
0 divided by what? Minus h. That will become what? Plus 1 minus will go away. Limit h tends to 0. Minus of minus will become plus, minus h and h will go away. Answer is minus 1. Understood?
Yes.
Next one is what? Here we have RHD. RHD, that is equal to what? Limit x tends to a plus, x tends to 1 plus f of x minus f of 1 divided by x minus 1. So that will be equal to limit x tends to 1 plus h tends to 0. It will become f of 1 plus h minus f of 1 divided by 1 plus h minus 1. So this and this will go away. Limit h tends to 0. F of 1 plus x. 1 plus x is what? Wherever there is x, you will write 1 plus h minus 1. Minus, when you substitute 1 here, it will become 0 divided by what? H. This and this will go away. Answer is what now? H and H also will get cancelled. So only the answer is 1. So this is minus 1 and this is plus 1. LHD, is it equal to RHD?
No.
They are not equal. That means the function f of x, this function is not differentiable at x is equal to 1.
Okay. So
This
wait,
is
so both
otherwise.
the functions are not differentiable?
Yeah, no, that means, no, it is a mod function. This is the question actually. This is your question.
Okay.
So, but from the question we cannot do directly, right? So we have to take two limits, less than 1, greater than 1, whenever we have mod, right?
Yeah.
So when we solved it, we got two functions and we are using one for LHD and one for RHD. Left hand derivative,
Okay, yeah.
right hand derivative.
I get it. Yeah, okay.
Because this type of questions you cannot solve with d by dx thing. You understood d by dx, you cannot solve like this.
Yeah.
When you try to do this, you get stuck, right? You don't understand how to do it now. If it is
Yeah.
not there mod, then directly we can do it. X will become 1. But if there is
Okay,
mod
yeah.
or step x like that, it's become very difficult. So we have to use the other method. Okay.
Okay. Okay, yeah.
Understood now?
Yes. Understood. Yeah, I took a screenshot.
Okay. So shall we try one more question? That is the next question, 10th one.
Sure.
Or you want me to stop here?
Sir, is it the same, like, kind of related question?
Same, and just I will write the only f of x thing for you. The remaining you do, okay?
Okay, yeah, I'll try
Initial
doing it
part.
as homework.
So initial, this is a 10th question. F of x is equal to what? I'll write only step x for you. This is step x. Step x means integer part of x. So 0 less than x less than 3 is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. So is not differentiable at x. We'll try what for 1 means what? When x is so what happens? F of x is integer part of x. If it is less than 1, that means what? The answer will be 0, right?
Yes.
X less than 1. Yeah. On the number line, if it is 1. So this is 0 and this is 2. So what will happen? When it is less than 1, if it is 0.9 also, it automatically will go to 0, right?
Yeah.
Similarly, if f of x, if it x greater than 1, what will happen? Greater than or equal to 1. What will happen? The answer will be, the point is here somewhere. So answer will be 1, right?
Yeah.
Or to the remaining, okay? The remaining.
Okay.
LHD and
Yeah,
R.
let me just take a screenshot. Yeah. Okay. Okay then. Yeah.
Do it comfortably. Any doubt you have, just message me anytime, okay?
Yeah, okay, I'll message you if I have a doubt in the question.
Okay. I think this space is okay now, or you want me to still reduce?
I think it's fine. Yeah.
It's fine. Okay.
Because yeah.
You know, in the beginning, like 2-3 classes, it is required to understand. You know, the teacher gets adjusted with the.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Take care. Huh? Take care.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Take care.
Okay.
Bye.
Have a good day.